Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I've been absent from the channel lately, but now I'm back with a fresh new content, and today's video is sponsored by NDC Computindo. So without much being said, let's jump head right into the video. So this is the SL7 wired gaming mouse. In front of the box, it shows the picture and branding of the mouse itself. At the back of the box, it shows the basic specification of the mouse itself, which will be discussed further inside the video. On the left hand side of the box, it has a huge SLEC SL7 logo and a serial number, which will also be discussed further later in the video. Without wasting any more time, let's crack it open. So inside the box, you are greeted directly with the unit itself. First impression towards this mouse is that it actually feels premium and well made. It has this soft touch plastic that doesn't attract fingerprint at all. And buttons on this mouse are tactile and clicky. It doesn't feel mushy at all, even for the sidearm button. Cable on this mouse is excellent. It uses a 1.5 meter braided cable that makes it feel rugged, and this mouse is packed with features that is enough for most gamers. It includes with an on-the-fly DPI button, which comes in handy for FPS player, and the breathing LED on this mouse is the icing on the cake, as it makes this mouse into a complete package. This mouse does come with a 1-year warranty that can be checked through the website, which is slec.id. All original SLEC product will be registered inside the website, so you can check yours by entering your serial number here. Last but not least, sensor on this mouse actually did a great job. It can track accurately in most surface, even on glass surface, which make this mouse a great option for FPS player, as it also falls into the lightweight mouse category. Also, mouse fit on this mouse can glide smoothly in any kind of mousepad. So overall, I would like to give 8.5 out of 10 for the SLEC SL7 gaming mouse, as I think this is all you need in a gaming mouse. Nice feeling body, accurate sensor, and RGB lighting. If any one of you would like to purchase this mouse, I will leave a link down in the description box below. And that's all for today's video, and as always, stay awesome.